Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's SOP video update. And we've seen SOP trying to move up. We're looking at AXS trying to move up as well. So I'm really waiting for SOP to probably come up and break this level, backtest here, and I'm gonna try to trade this one to come up here. And it does seem like SOP right now is getting above this 10 EMA on the weekly time frame, and that's pretty cute right now. Okay, that's pretty amazing. I do believe now I'm getting that vibe a little bit. This is like not confirmed, but just a guts feeling. You're actually going to see SOP break this level, go for the retest, and you're going to be in for a 60% move to the upside. That's something that I see happening right now. Okay, really possible to happen at the moment. So it's looking pretty awesome. We already have done the bull cross here. Now if you do have a retracement though, you might have a retracement down to this 10 EMA, bounce off the 10 EMA and try to move up a little bit. So this is going to be a very straightforward update, clear, straight to the point right now, that SOP is just on this uptrend right now and trying to crawl up to break that resistance. When you break that resistance, come for the retest. Amazing entry, an amazing ride to the upside. Now if you were to retrace today maybe, then you could see SOP coming down to that 10 EMA, potentially bounce off the 10 EMA just like that, because you've already made the bull cross right here. So it does make sense to just come down, backtest the EMAs once again, just to test how true the EMAs really are, and then go up, break this level, break the bear flag, come for the retest, boom, shoot to that 20 EMA on the weekly time frame. If I do show you the 20 EMA once again, if I dive into the weekly, that is where the 20 EMA is. This red, the red line that you see right there is the 20 EMA, and that's pretty much it for this update on SOP. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.
Hey, can I tell you something real quickly? There's this subscribe button right here. Once you click that, there's a bell icon as well, and I want you to click that. Secondly, if you want to be a part of our signals agreement group and you want to actually take my signals and when I trade, you can click on this video, on the link in the description of the video, and you can join the signals agreement for $10 per month. Or maybe you don't want to actually the signals, then you want to actually learn the way I trade, then click on this link here, Adam Coins, and you are gonna go to this trading course, and we have 42 different topics, 18 hours of contents to make sure that you never lose a trade again anymore. It's actually $49, okay? If you look at it, it's $49, but there's one more thing. What you want to do is actually click on the Discord link here. Once you do that, you're going to actually join our Discord link, and we do have so many different coin chats right over here, from Bitcoin all the way to Solana to VeChain all the way to Luna Classic. It's absolutely free of cost, and all you want to do is you want to go to this channel called Announcement, click on the announcement, click on my name and drop me a message, and I'm gonna give you a discount of $20 from this course, and you can get it for $49 and it's yours. Trade safe, trade careful. Bye.